everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while since I have shot any video, but I was having my exams and now that they are over, there are a lot of ideas in my mind that I want to implement and make videos on them, and I'm sure you all will like those videos. But for now, as you guys must have guessed from the title of the video, it's going to be a review video. And yeah, Roop Mantra did send me these products, but this is not a paid collaboration or anything. This is just so that I can give my honest review about these products, and I'm so thankful to them for choosing me so that I can review their products. And all the opinions and the reviews that I'm going to be giving are solely mine, and I'm not going to be biased at all. As you guys know, I love doing reviews, and yeah, so I'm going to show you how many products they did send over to me. They did send me a lot of products, which is a box full of products. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you what they just sent over to me. They sent me a neem face wash, Roop Mantra neem face wash. Then they sent me a cucumber face wash. Then they sent a mixed fruit face wash. Then aloe vera face wash. And the next one they sent over is a lime and mint face wash. Also they sent over two other products. This is an Ayurvedic medicinal cream, and the other one is the Roop Mantra pimple gel. This is my favorite. I will make a video on it very soon, and I will be sharing with you guys. So as this is an Ayurvedic brand, it does not have any side effects on your skin. To give my most honest review and to see how this product works on the skin, I have been using these face washes, cream and gel every single day of the week. I've been using it for over a week now, and I have been loving it. I especially love the cucumber face wash out of the full range, because I feel like the texture, the smell, the after effects on my skin were amazing, and like so affordable as well. And you see the quantity that they give, it's amazing. So and today I'm going to be reviewing about the cucumber face wash as well. I'm going to make a separate video for each face wash so that you guys can see which one and how it works, what are its specifications, what are its benefits and everything, and so that you guys can also understand which one to purchase and which one to not. So yeah, if you want to see the review of the cucumber face wash, then please keep on watching. So this is how the Roop Mantra cucumber face wash looks like. It's super great for people who have normal to oily skin. Also, cucumber has amazing benefits, very cooling and perfect for summer seasons. And it's a travel friendly bottle. It has a tic tac clip in the end, which is perfect for extracting the product. And yeah, it's super. So talking about this Roop Mantra cucumber face wash, the net quantity is 100 ml, but you get 15 ml extra, and which is 115 ml total. You get 115 ml and you get 100 ml plus 15 ml extra, which is a big yay. Also, the cost of this full bottle is 83 rupees. That's great. Also, it helps to purify your skin, control acne, pimples, blemishes, skin infections, removes extra oil, dirt while retaining the skin moisture, which is amazing. Even oily skin people can use it because it's going to prevent acne, pimples, blemishes, everything, and also it's going to remove the extra oil from your skin while keeping your skin's moisture intact, which is amazing. I love this face wash because I've been using it, and the first thing is the texture. Oh my god, it's so soft. I don't know how. It's like, slime, this playful slimes. It's so soft like that, maybe softer than that as well. And the fragrance is to die for. I love the smell, and when you start massaging it into your skin, and then and also it gives that cooling effect, that menthol like cooling effect in your skin, on your skin. And once you wash it off, it gives you that clean, fresh skin. And I one day after using this face wash, I did not apply a moisturizer. I did not feel itchy or tacky or dry, anything. In fact, I forgot to apply moisturizer, and I didn't feel like to apply one because it didn't dry out my skin at all. So without much blabbering, I'm going to show you a demo of this product, and for that I'll just go and remove my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've washed my face and now I'm just going to use this face wash. So I'm going to show you the texture. It is green in color and it has these small red beads in it also. It smells purely like cucumber, like fresh cucumber. Once you cut fresh cucumber, and that smell that comes, it smells exactly like that, and oh my god, it's so refreshing. I just don't know, but I'm obsessed with this face wash. So I'm just going to warm this between my palm. I'm going to take a little bit more of water and I'm going to lather, and I'm going to work this in a lather. It is so soft. The beads are like nothing. It doesn't even hurt. It doesn't even feel also. And I'm getting that instant cooling menthol effect. I'm gonna go on my forehead. As you can see, it lathers also very well, which is very good. Very, very good. I think now it's been more than 2 minutes, and now I need to wash it off. So I'll just wash my face off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've washed my face and now I'm going to pat dry. So this is what my skin looks right now. As you can see, it feels so baby soft. It feels so moisturized. Without any moisturizer, I instantly feel refreshed, clean, and it's squeaky clean. I cannot feel any dirt or oiliness or anything. It's squeaky clean, and it feels a little tacky, but it's slowly getting absorbed into your skin. I love how the way it looks on my skin. I love how my skin feels after using this face wash, and I would recommend anyone who is searching for a budget face wash with good benefits. And I guess normal to oily skin people can use this face wash very easily. It's amazing, and it's not going to have any side effects. It's going to prevent your skin from all sorts of blemishes, pimples or anything. And I've been using this face wash for 1 week and I haven't broke out at all, which is another big yay. I mean, I haven't broke out since 1 week, which is amazing. I break out after every 3 to 4 days, but after using this face wash, I haven't broken out anything. And you can see my skin, it's so clean, and I do not have any pimples or acne or anything else. Anyhow, this is my review on the cucumber face wash of Roop Mantra, and I would give this a big yay, and I would recommend this face wash to all of you beauties out there. You guys can go and try this product out. It's so budget friendly yet, and it gives so many benefits. I mean, I haven't moisturized my skin yet, and my skin already feels so soft and so moisturized. I am loving. I just cannot just stop touching, and the smell still is there on your skin. The aroma still is there on your skin, and it feels cold, because of that menthol cooling effect. It does feel cold, which is amazing. And yeah, with that, I finished this review. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a big like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.